Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. The washer journey continues. This is video number 4. I know I was gonna give up last video, but the CCU capacitor was only $8, so I haven't spent that much money on trying to fix this yet. For the F20, I'm gonna check the hot and cold water lines and the drain plug because I already know how to do those. Let's get started. The drain plug looked pretty clean. I got the F20 to pop back up. The PSIs from both of these looked pretty good to me. I cleaned these filters a little bit. I was pretty sure that wasn't gonna fix our problem. Let's do some research and see if it's the water meter or the water inlet. Okay, luckily I do have a multimeter. We're gonna follow Repair Clinic to test the voltage on the water inlet. I might also check the flow meter. Let's go set those up. I'm not too sure what these numbers mean, but every time I mess with the probes, they are detecting something. So my guess would be the water inlet is okay. And I'm gonna remove the water valve and see what that looks like. I saw a video for the flow valve where they blew into it and it's supposed to not rattle in the end like that. I think it's supposed to end smoothly. There was another video saying if you shake and there's a loose piece, you might need a new flow valve. I don't know if that's true. We're just gonna buy one. I can't wait till it gets here. The videos I've seen make it look pretty easy. There's this electronic clip we will remove and plug in there. Also, these clips here need a good plier to loosen and remove. The new flow meter is in. I've seen some videos where people were able to turn their old flow meter from a vertical to a horizontal, and that helped with them. It did not with us, so new flow meter, and not super optimistic because nothing has worked so far. Let's try running a load. I knew that was gonna be too easy, so the plan now is to return this and also to return this. I got a comment saying this analog pressure sensor they sent me might be faulty, so we are gonna order a new one. Next video, I will remove this back panel and check this hose here. Make sure there's nothing wrong with that. But for now, video 226 done.